does this sound? You get off work on Friday night, throw your bags in, and walk. Just a short half-mile walk to Glover Park Brewery for a brew. And then Saturday morning, you wake up and head on out to the farmer's market for a bouquet of flowers, which you're gonna use in your gorgeous dining room. Because you don't have to sacrifice everything you're looking for in a home and be able to live by the square. We've got it all in this 4-bedroom home here at Marietta Walk. So come with me, let's go check it out together. So, what did I tell you? It's perfect, right? Whether you're going out or staying in, this house has it all. And if you're interested in checking it out, give me a call or send me a message. I'd be happy to show it to you.